Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Now we solve question number 5 of exercise 5.1. Let's start. The question number first part is x square minus y square minus 6y minus 9. By solving x square minus by taking common from three variables, by taking minus common, we can take a minus common, then in the bracket we will get a y square, positive y square, positive 6y and positive 9. It means sign will be changed if negative will be common. Now x square minus, use this bracket to convert into identity form. Identity, which identity? I explain it. If I convert it in the whole square form, y square plus 3 square, it means 9. Here a will be a, y and b will be 3. It means a square plus b square. Here is a sign of a positive because along with the 6y is positive. So here is a identity or a formula of a positive sign. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. It will make 2ab. It means formula of 2ab. Here a will be y and b will be 3. Now check. Y a square, it means y square, plus b square, it means 9, plus 2ab. 2 3s are 6y, it means 6y. That's correct. Now in the next step, x square minus, convert into whole form, whole square form. Whole square form, how we can convert? I tell previous, y, choose the variable in the whole square form. Here the whole square form are y and 3, so we can write y and 3 in the whole square form. Here a sign of a positive with 2, so it will become a positive whole square. Now convert it also in the whole square form, x square minus, it's already converted into whole square form. Now by using identity, another identity, the identity was a square minus b square, which is equal to 1 time positive and 1 time negative sign between them. By using this identity, the next step will be 1 time positive sign between them and 1 time negative sign between them. By using this identity, 1 time positive sign between them and 1 time negative sign between them. Now proceed. X plus y plus 3, one factor. Another factor is x multiply minus with both minus y minus 3. That will be the answer. Now proceed to question number 5 third part. The question number 5 third part is 4x square minus y square minus 2y minus 1. Here 4x square minus, by taking minus common from second and onward, by taking common minus, so it will be minus into y square plus 2y plus 1 because sign will be changed if negative will be common. Now proceed. 4x square minus, convert into whole square form, y square, it means first square, 1 square means 1, it will a square plus b square. Now we get 2ab. Here is a positive sign, so it will be a positive, formula of positive, and 2 will be the formula. 2 ab, a here a is y and b is 1, so y square plus 1 square plus 2y into a, so it will become a whole square formula of y plus 1 whole square, because whole square form are y and 1. Now convert it into the whole square form also. It's already converted into whole square form. Now proceed it. Here is another identity. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Now by using this identity, convert into one time positive sign between them and one time negative sign between them. So by putting positive sign between them, multiply this. This is the one factor, and by multiplying negative sign with both negative y, negative 1. So these are the two factors which were required. Now next, sixth part. In the sixth part, the question is x square minus y square minus 4xz plus 4z square. Now convert into the whole square form. Combine the three identities for three variables, just like x square minus 4xz plus 4z square minus y square, because here if we combine first three variables, then it will make no common sense, because here is product xz but here product is xy. So product xz mean we combine x and z variable, not y, because product also compulsory in the brackets. So I combine x square minus 4xz plus 4z square, and minus y square is separated so that its product also be obtained. Product is xz, so x square plus 4z square minus 4xz, because it helps us to make a whole square form. Next, x square, it will become whole square form, x square to z square, it means a square plus b square. Here is a sign of a negative, so minus 2ab, formula of 2. A, here a is x and b is 2z. In the next step, we will convert into whole square form, x minus 2z whole square, because here is a square form of x and 2z. So it will x and 2z. Here is a negative sign with 2. So it will become whole square form of negative identity. Minus, convert it to also whole square form, so y square. By using this identity, a square minus b square, first time positive sign between them and first time negative sign between them. So we convert into first time positive sign between them and first time negative sign between them.